Hi, this is David from Team 6141, and today I'm going to do a quick little video on how to update your RoboRIO image. It's important to keep your RoboRIO image updated every year because you need to keep up to date with all the new things so it can keep up with your code. And if you're a rookie team as well, this won't really apply to us, but if a rookie team is watching this, it's important to do this because in order for your code to work, you need to set up your team number on the RoboRIO, and this is how you would do that. So these are the instructions on how to do it. They're on the documentation, but I'm just going to make this video to show you like visually what the process is like. So first you would look at the RoboRIO and you would connect to your computer via this port right here, via USB. So once you have it connected like that, you would have to install the LabVIEW stuff, so like driver station. Brendan made a video on that. It was the first video in our little series, our introductory series. So if you want to go back and look at how to do the installation, you can do that. You just need the LabVIEW stuff. You don't actually need WIPLib to do this. So now what you would do is, as you can see, I have driver station opened and I'm connected to the robot. I have the robot right next to me here. As you can see, if you go to this tab, this is the image that the RIO currently has, which is the one from last year, so 2020 V10. So what you're going to do now is, oops, I have this open, but I'll start from the beginning. So what happens is normally on your desktop, you're going to have an app that is like the RIO imaging tool. Yeah, that's what it's called. So that's after you install like LabVIEW and all that stuff. If you don't see it, what you're going to do is you're going to go into your File Explorer. You're going to go to your C drive, your 86 program files, and then you're going to go down to National Instruments, LabVIEW 2019, Project, RoboRIO tool, and then you're going to go to RoboRIO imaging tool, and you're just going to follow that file tree. So once you have it open, it's going to look for a RoboRIO connected via USB. And so you can see here, it's recognized the RoboRIO 6141 FRC. And so here you can change a couple settings about it, but the only one that we're going to worry about is format target. So here's where you would put the team number. If you remember in one of the other videos, I mentioned that if you don't put the correct team number for your code, then it won't deploy to the robot, like it won't work properly. So you need to make sure that this is input here properly, and that when you create a project in your code, that you use the same number that you put in here. So I'm just going to leave it as 6141 because that's our team. And then these come pre-installed, so you don't need to worry about getting these the images for the RIO from anywhere. And so there's different versions, sorry, but you're just going to use the v3.0, the most updated version. So you're going to see 2021. This is the one from last year, so you can roll back to it if you'd like, but we're just going to use the one from this year. So you're going to click Reformat, and it's just going to take its time and do that, and it'll take a little bit, but I guess we just wait. Okay, so it's almost done here. Should be done any second. Okay. Successfully updated. The IP address of the RoboRIO is this. Your host name is RoboRIO this. You must deploy the code to use the robot. Okay, so now there's going to be no code on the robot, which is okay. But you can see now that in driver station, the RIO image looks like this. It's not 2020 V10, it's 2021 V3. So I cut the video. It took quite a considerable amount of time, like 10 to 20 minutes it's going to take to do this. But what happened the first time, if it were to fail on your end, what you can do is you can, like, it'll bring up a big list of things that you can do. What I did different is I just, when I tried it again the second time, is I closed the program. Well, first I restarted the robot, and then second I came over to here, and one of the options that the list gave me was to run it as administrator. So you can run this as administrator and try it again, and hopefully that should work. If not, then there's a big list of different things that you can do, but yeah, hopefully that should work. And now the RoboRIO is imaged and ready to go for the 2021 season. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in another video.